Okay, so this is the entranceway to La Cima III. So if you were to drive, that would be parking over there. We can look at that out separately. And then this is the lobby. There's somebody here. There's always somebody here, but he just doesn't want to be in the video. So he's not in the video. He hates so he's not in the video. And then we're going to walk through and go to the first elevator, which is here. So we just came out of the first elevator, and then we're going to walk over and go into the elevator that corresponds to the other tower. Because it's built into the hillside, that's why we kind of have two towers, although it might not appear that way. So, second elevator. Welcome to La Cima III. This is Condo 2B. So it's 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and spectacular views. It's recently renovated, as you will see. That's me. This is the half bath, and then we'll continue into the living area. The condo is sold furnished. There's going to be some specific items that the sellers will want to keep for themselves, personal items, but all the big pieces will be kept, and there'll be a photograph inventory list if you decide to purchase. You can see the fantastic balcony terrace out here. This is more than just a balcony. It's absolutely beautiful. Take a look at these views. So here, for those of you who don't know where La Cima is, we're about a 7-minute drive from the romantic zone. That you can see the romantic zone from here. It's very quiet up here. It's very peaceful up here. Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. This condo is listed for $1,299,000. And like I said, it's sold with the majority of the furniture. This is kind of a TV area with these spectacular views. In La Cima, there's not a lot of units that come up for sale. So I remember last high season, I want you to take a look at this because I love what they did here. The 2 backsplashes, let me see if the quartz, like on the countertop and the backsplash are similar, but not the same. And the contrast is very elegant. I mean, this is just beautiful. Look at these appliances. This is an absolutely beautiful kitchen. And then, so here we have, this first one is the master. So here's the master bedroom. Let me see if I can get outside and show you what the views look like. And you can also get a sense of the privacy up here. Yeah, so that's your view from the master bedroom. The spectacular jungle. This condo has 2 deeded parking spots. They're tandem parking spots, but you have space for 2 cars. This is the bathroom for the master. You can see the entire apartment's recently renovated. Walk-in closet. And then let's go check out the secondary bedroom. So this here that's the laundry real quick. And then we're going to finish the tour today in the guest bedroom. So also the beautiful jungle view. Walk-in closet. Well, walk-through closet maybe is a better way to say. I love that sink. I don't know if the video is going to show the sink properly. So there you have it. Beautiful La Cima III. Apartment 2B. Okay, so we are coming to the pool area here. This is La Cima III. Take a look at the spectacular pools. There's only 24 units in this building, so I'm not sure how often you're going to have people at the pool, to be honest. Yeah, so right now we're at the beginning of February. So this is like our high season, and there's not one person here, literally. So it's pretty spectacular pool area. And obviously we have the beautiful view. And here we are, just to give you an idea of what the parking looks like. This is the ramp that takes you down to the other level. And then we have the lobby to the left. I just walked by it. You have an entranceway through there to get to the tower, and the elevator's right there actually. And so this is what the parking looks like. So, you know, if you were to be driven, like taking an Uber, for example, you'd be left right where I'm standing basically. You just walk right in. Okay, so we just pulled on the street from the highway. And this is how we get up to the highway. And that's Cima III up there. There we are. That's Cima